Alright, so this is a G25 2011, and this is our oil change. First we remove this cover. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. It's going here, and then there's the where you put the oil, and this is the coil from the bottom. It has around 14 screws all the way. I already started, and it goes in this area. It's very simple. After you remove the cover, we're gonna just replace them. Take out the drain bolt. That's your filter. Remove the oil filter. It's very easy. Is drain all the oil right there. Very simple. Wow, this is the first time I'm trying this STP filter. Was using original Nissan filter, but let's see, it is around a 5.1 quarters of oil.